December in Europe is a month of dramatic contrasts. While the Mediterranean basks in gentle winter sun, the north braces against powerful winds and driving rain. This isn't random. It's a predictable meteorological showdown shaped by geography, ocean currents, and atmospheric patterns. From Athens' outdoor cafes to Dublin's stormy streets, daily life is defined by the weather divide. We'll explore the climates of these regions, from tranquil Crete to windswept Scotland, and uncover the science behind the split. The Azores high and Atlantic low-pressure systems are the invisible forces dictating Europe's winter weather. Mountain ranges and warm ocean currents add complexity to this atmospheric ballet. Over centuries, people and cultures have adapted. Southern homes stay cool, northern buildings withstand storms. Even holiday traditions reflect the climate. Outdoor markets in the south, cozy indoor gatherings in the north. This journey will reveal not just the weather, but how it shapes the way Europeans live and celebrate. December in the Mediterranean means mild temperatures and generous sunshine. Daytime highs often reach the mid-teens Celsius, making outdoor life possible with just a light jacket. The Azores high acts as a shield, deflecting Atlantic storms and keeping the region dry and stable. Rainfall is sporadic and brief, with long stretches of clear, golden light unique to winter. The Mediterranean Sea, still warm from summer, releases heat and moderates the air, keeping frosts rare along the coast. The result is a tranquil, restorative climate, perfect for long walks, olive harvests, and peaceful towns. With summer crowds gone, the region feels local and calm, inviting reflection rather than hibernation. Here, winter is gentle, mild days, cool nights, and a landscape bathed in soft light. Southern Europe thrives in December's mildness. In Andalusia, Spain, cities like Seville and Malaga see temperatures near 17 degrees, with locals enjoying tapas outdoors. The Costa del Sol lives up to its name, offering sunny promenades even in winter. Greek islands like Crete remain temperate, supporting outdoor lifestyles and the crucial olive harvest. Italy, Sicily, and Sardinia bask in warmth, with festive markets spilling into historic piazzas. The landscape stays green, contrasting sharply with the north's bare trees. Even the Côte d'Azur in France enjoys more sun and milder weather than Paris. The region's reliable winter mildness has long attracted those seeking refuge from northern gloom. Outdoor life continues, with winter walks and vibrant scenery defining the season. Here, December is productive, pleasant, and distinctly Mediterranean. Northern Europe in December is a stage for dramatic, turbulent weather. The British Isles, Scandinavia, and northern Germany face relentless Atlantic storms, low-pressure systems bringing strong winds and heavy rain. Weather changes rapidly. A calm morning can turn stormy by afternoon. The wind is biting, making temperatures feel colder and shaping daily life and architecture. Rain is persistent, often lasting for days and saturating the ground. Overcast skies dominate, with little sunlight and short days contributing to the winter blues. The landscape transforms. Moors, coasts, and cities take on a stark atmospheric beauty. This is winter defined by resilience, preparation, and the raw power of nature. Ireland and the UK are on the front line for Atlantic storms. Cities like Dublin and Glasgow rely on waterproof gear, with travel often disrupted by wind and rain. Scandinavia adds snow to the mix. Coastal cities endure rain, while inland areas face blizzards and transport shutdowns. Hamburg and the Netherlands battle storm surges, with flood defenses on high alert. The festive season moves indoors. Hygge in Denmark, Gemütlichkeit in Germany. Coziness and warmth are cultural responses to the stormy dark. Homes glow with candles, and gatherings happen in pubs and living rooms. The weather outside enhances the sense of refuge and togetherness. In the north, December is a time for resilience, adaptation, and finding comfort against the elements. Europe's December weather divide is driven by large-scale atmospheric patterns. The polar jet stream, powered by the temperature difference between Arctic and tropics, guides storms over northern Europe. The Azores High, a stable high-pressure system, blocks these storms from reaching the south. This creates a sharp contrast: stormy, wet north, calm, sunny south. Mountain ranges like the Alps and Pyrenees reinforce the divide, blocking cold, moist air from reaching the Mediterranean. The North Atlantic drift warms northern seas, fueling intense, moisture-laden storms. In contrast, the Mediterranean's milder sea leads to more stable winter weather. Geography and ocean currents work together, shaping Europe's winter climate. The result: two distinct Decembers, each with its own challenges and charms. Understanding these forces reveals the mechanics behind Europe's weather split. Europe's winter weather is a clash of air masses. The north is dominated by moist, unstable maritime polar air from the Atlantic, bringing clouds and storms. The south enjoys warmer, stable maritime tropical air, sometimes even dry Saharan winds. The jet stream, a high-altitude river of wind, steers storms and shapes weather patterns. Its meandering path determines whether storms hit the north or dip into the Mediterranean. Year-to-year shifts, known as the North Atlantic Oscillation, can make winters stormier or colder. A strong NAO means wetter, milder north and drier south. A weak NAO lets Arctic air spill south. These dynamic patterns ensure no two Decembers are ever quite the same. December's weather shapes daily life across Europe. In the north, commutes are disrupted by storms, and practical clothing is essential. Energy use soars as homes battle damp cold, and travel plans often hinge on weather warnings. In the south, life is more relaxed. Outdoor activities continue, and travel is rarely disrupted. Tourism shifts. The north faces delays at airports and ports, while the south attracts visitors seeking winter sun. Southern homes built for coolness need little heating, while northern homes are fortified against the cold. Logistics and supply chains in the north are challenged by storms and snow, especially before Christmas. In the Mediterranean, reliable weather supports hiking, cycling, and cultural tourism. The climate divide is a major factor in how people work, travel, and celebrate the season. Europe's weather isn't just a backdrop, it's a daily reality that shapes every aspect of life. December's weather divide is a vivid example of how geography and atmosphere create Europe's diverse climates. The Mediterranean's mild sun contrasts with the North's stormy drama, each shaping local traditions and lifestyles. From Higa to Passeggiata, culture adapts to climate, reflecting human resilience and creativity. As climate change looms, understanding these patterns is more important than ever. The familiar December divide may shift, making observation and adaptation vital. Europe's weather duality enriches its cultures and landscapes, offering variety within a small continent. Whether you prefer a stormy Scottish day or a sunny Sicilian afternoon, December reveals the powerful forces shaping our world. In the end, we are all in some way children of our climate.